And I like my hair, nigga. I'm finna go take my hair down now, y'all, because my shit be coming down. And I got it tight for right now. I'm taking her down tomorrow. I think. I want to. Every time I think about taking them down, I think about how much I like them. We're gonna do it for the health of my hair. Okay, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So I don't think y'all saw it at first. These little bulbs is my fucking edges coming out. Like, do y'all see that shit? I take these hoes out with the fucking quickness. In the drive-thru right now, taking these hoes out. The fuck? Now I'm really in this bitch about to cry. Because like the way, like the level of force I have to use to get this shit off of here without cutting it off, it's a lot. And I feel like I'm pulling my own fucking hair out. So I'm about to go home and get me some scissors, and I'm finna go down the side of them and try to cut without cutting my hair. Like, y'all, my edges need to come down today. And they need to come down today. I don't give a fuck what I look like for the rest of the day. The edges gotta go today, because it's like the longer I sit here and wait on a good time to take time and take them down, the more strands I'm losing. I can't do it. I'm about to go home and take the shit out right now. So I just took my edges down. We gonna do like this. It's easier for me. Just took my edges down while I was eating my little sushi. My break. And I feel so much better already. I need gas. Story of my fucking life. Feel so much better already. So about to wear my hair like this. Oh, I took the twist down too. Cause she need to relax. And when I say relief, y'all know that relief where your head start hurting in the relief? That kind of relief. Which let me know it was about that time. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking these down all day. Anyway, I see y'all when I'm taking it down. And I'm being very, very careful. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on, I don't know if I said bulbs or follicles. Because the bulb thing came from me talking to somebody and they was just like, you talking about them little bulbs? But yeah, the hair follicles. I see motherfucking hair follicles. Which means my shit was ripped out from the fucking root. I didn't record the rest because I didn't. This is just such a tedious thing. Like, it's so easy to fuck up and cut your hair that I just wanted to give it my full attention. That's why y'all barely got a good angle right now. But if you care about me and what the fuck I want to do in my life, then you wouldn't care. Cause we not trying to cut no dreads at all. Not one lock, not nothing. Basically, I'm unraveling the tip, making sure I get my lock out. Really, the only time I use the scissors is when it's the part that look like this that I just ain't got time for. And I just come from the top, make sure I'm just cutting one little section. I'll get some of these little naps. Really, when you cut a little section, it really make it just fall kind of loose. But you just gotta be patient with it because it's really not a simple thing to be done, especially not in a rush. So if you're in a rush, just don't even do it. My hair and stuff, everything is different colors, so I'm cutting little sections of the expression hair because you can see that the expression hair as well is wrapped. So you just cut one. those wrap sections. Y'all can't see, but I'm telling you, so you can kind of understand if you follow my words and follow my hands. And once you get a section of the wrapping part loose like this, then you can just unwrap it. You're gonna get little tangles, like I said, this is just like natural hair. If you pull it and it don't break through, then get your scissors. You're not trying to damage our hair. I'm back to normal. Y'all know that feeling when you do like this. Oh, y'all know when your hair be so relieved it hurt. So you gotta readjust. Baby, get you some. Get you some. My hair feel like look at my hand. Can y'all see how moisturized my hand? It feels so healthy. It feel like I just put it on there. It been 2 weeks. It been 2 weeks since I put that in there. And I still feel it. Come on now. And y'all know my hair was twisted up too, so I had to take them twists out too, because they were tight too. Everything was tight, and they were singlies, like this one section of a twist. Watch. They were singlies together, y'all. They was about to start locking and shit. Some of them already was, like I think that one was already locked, but back and I'm better. Want you days in there. It feels so good to just be able to do everything without it just feeling like, you know, it feels so healthy and moisturized. This is all I be asking for. I think having the hair on there was a nice protective style though, because that sun ain't touched my hair in 2 weeks. And I'm about to find something else to put on my hair for the next 2 weeks. Cause I don't think I can do the one thing. My curl texture too loose, and y'all know what I said about loose curl textures. They actually tangle quicker than the kinkier ones. Y'all can see the moisture. Stop playing with Tabitha. You can see the moisture. I need to put some oil or something on my scalp because it's screaming right now. Every time I move, it screams. Get you some. I still got this much. Y'all remember how much I put on my hair? Y'all see where it stopped? I'm not lying. Y'all remember how much I put on my hair? And I've been putting on the roots as the week, like whenever my hair just start hurting or whatever, I put it on the roots, probably like up in here. And I still got this much. Get you some. So satisfied with this protective style. I don't like that my, you know what I'm saying, my follicles and shit got pulled out at the edges. But I kind of expected it a little, just a little. But yeah. Sorry about that. I'm not redoing it. I feel like I was loud enough. Whew. I think it was a combination of them being tight too, because I wanted my roots to be neat. Stay tuned for the next protective style and the next photo shoot, because yes, it's already in the works. The photo shoot will be up already, so go check that out. It'll be up by the time y'all see this, so go check that out. And stay tuned for my next protective style and my next photo shoot. See y'all in my next video. Don't forget to comment if you have anything to say, if I taught you anything, or if you need to teach me anything. Don't forget to rate honestly. I don't even care what it is, just rate honestly. And subscribe if you want to see more of me. I can jump without it hurting. I feel like going to the gym now. I was doing a little jumping in the gym. But I feel like I can do anything. Like sleep comfortably. Bye y'all. See y'all later. Bye.